Continuing our series where we discuss cases in depth, today I am here with a repair case, and the basic reason why you need to know this case is so important. All these cases are important because when you see results on internet, you get mesmerized, you don't know the real story. It could just be 20% transplant and 80% finish it right or finished right. So now I'm showing you a repair case. This patient came to me in this situation. You can see the crown position. You can see that earlier he had got a transplant done. He wasn't happy with the density and it wasn't looking really nice. तो आप देखेंगे तो ये portion में हमने यहाँ से extract किया, and this was the line which was created for him, and we did the first surgery was FUE. So the second surgery, which he got somewhere else, and I think he was told somewhere around 3,000 or 3,500 grafts, but obviously they were not done. So we had to fill this area, we had to fill the frontal area. I'll show you how we did this. We did FUT surgery for him. We did some frontal extraction as well. So this way, you can see over here, we did the frontal extraction. We shifted the hairline up. We did not shave off the entire head. You can see the bad, wrong angled grafts were taken out, and from the front also. So you can see over here the frontal area. This is like just second day post-op picture. So it looks pretty normal from the front. The extracted portion also seems pretty nice. In the pre-pictures, you saw he had big area, and he could not earlier style his hair because of this. So if you take a closer look at his pre-transplant pictures, this was after one transplant which he already got done from somewhere else. So it wasn't really nice, and he wanted to fill this entire portion also. Now in such cases, this repair can be done with two ways. One, by giving finished right, यानी कि आप उनको finish it right दो, and this entire area gets filled. ये पूरा भर जाता है बड़े मजे से. आप देखोगे ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस जिनमें कि डोनर डिप्लीटेड है, लाइक द डोनर is depleted because of first FUE. Now, when you go to a clinic and the surgeon doesn't know how to do FUT, they will obviously recommend you FUE. Now, we know very well कि जब आप FUE repeat करते हो from same donor, the chances, the probability of cutting your grafts, like the wastage transaction, is very high. वो आपके खराब होंगे, but who cares? Because finish it right तो है ना. तो वो finish it right एक पाउडर की तरह आप ऊपर छिड़क देते हैं और वो सब भरा हुआ लगता है. जो गैप्स दिख रहे हैं एयरलाइन में वो सब भरा हुआ लगता है, और डोनर एरिया भी जो इतना खाली दिखता है. सो इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड, आप जाए देखें. देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ वीडियोस व्हिच वी हैव मेड ऑन दिस टॉपिक, स्पेशली अबाउट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डोनर एरिया, impact of finish it right or finasteride on donor area, the impact of finasteride on recipient area, the transplant, hairline aesthetics. All the videos are there. So go and watch, because इससे आपकी आंखें खुलेंगी, आपको समझ में आएगा, और आप अपने रिजल्ट से अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखना छोड़ेंगे, जो कि आपके लिए बेहद 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 जरूरी है, वरना आप प्रॉब्लम में फंसेंगे. अब इस केस को हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम फिनेस्ट्राइड की मदद के बिना करेंगे, बिकॉज पेशेंट वाजंट रियली कीन. हमने मोनोक्सिडिल को यूज किया और हफ्ते में 3 एप्लीकेशन, दैट इज इट. सो नाउ इफ यू सी द रिजल्ट व्हिच केम, इट लुक्स प्रीटी गुड, pretty dense. आप close-up look देखें जहाँ से grafts को निकाला गया था. So it looks pretty good. We did extraction from the front. We did extraction from the sides. This portion also we did some extraction. We did some extraction from the other side also. यहाँ से भी. And this result looks pretty good. And suppose if we add finasteride in this, this will grow a lot of miniaturized hair in between, in these areas. It will grow a lot of miniaturized hair everywhere in these areas, and this result will look even more beautiful. But the thing is, that would be not permanent growth, and that is not the real skill of surgery. So I think to take finasteride or not is totally your decision. You should take a call on that. It can be given after some time also, not necessarily immediately after transplant, after maybe 8 months, 1 year, 2 years. Sometimes I have given this to my patients after 7 years of transplant. I've shown these cases. Go and watch the playlist. A lot of cases are there, long-term follow-up cases, where we did not give finasteride for almost 6 to 7 years and they are doing pretty well. In this patient, we could help him because, or any surgeon can help him only when the surgeon is competent and confident about both the techniques. So while choosing your clinic or surgeon, make sure that you are not just hearing that silly excuse, oh, here FUT is an old technique and who does it and it leaves scar and all that stuff. So don't fall prey to such gimmicks. I think it is always better to understand the concepts right. Okay, and as I always say, hair transplant is a journey. It is not one short thing. Okay, so plan it right, plan it carefully, plan it with a surgeon whom you can trust. Or to see more such cases, you can visit our website satyahairclinic.com. Tons of cases there, and you can see um, uh, the role of medicine, up to what extent medicine helped the transplant, up to what extent the growth is kind of boosted with with finasteride. Okay, so I hope this video adds some value to your knowledge, and to see more such cases, don't forget to subscribe the channel and do share this. And obviously, uh, to receive all the notifications, you need to press the bell icon. Don't forget that. Okay, share it with your friends, maybe your friends, your family member, or somebody down the line in your lineage might need it. So this information will float there, and it will be there to help them out also. So help everyone by spreading the information, and that's a humble request. Thank you. Love yourself.